Let's listen in to Maharashtra Health Minister Rajesh Tope speaking at the moment.
40 वर्षाच्या वरिष्ठ लोकांना त्यांनी घेऊन येऊन लसीकरण करून घ्यावं असं त्यांच्यावर बंधनकारक केलेलं आहे आणि त्यामुळं मोबिलायझेशन फास्ट होत आहे. आता प्रश्न आहे की लस मिळत नाहीये आणि म्हणून काल रात्री मी फार पोटतिडकीनं विनंती केली की आम्हाला लस द्या.
Maharashtra's Health Minister Rajesh Tope addressing media, he has raised a very different question from what he has been asking from the center. What he has said is, center had assured us when we were vaccinating around 3 lakh people daily, the center had told us that we should be increasing the number of doses of vaccines to 6 lakh from the present 3 lakh. So what the Maharashtra government has increased the number of vaccinations to around 5 lakhs to 5.5 lakhs, but now the amount of vaccine doses from the center is not being made available to the centers in Maharashtra, because of which many of the centers in Maharashtra have been shut down and many of the citizens have been sent back due to non-availability of vaccines. The Health Minister of Maharashtra, Rajesh Tope, is also stressing on the fact that Maharashtra has been following all the SOPs laid down by ICMR and the Union Health Ministry, and have been following all the rules and regulations laid down by the central government. The Health Minister is also stressing on the point that Maharashtra has been the state wherein the number of tests and also the number of vaccination has been the highest all over, and the number of patients are also increasing because of the highest number of tests. On the other hand, Rajesh Tope is also stressing on the point that the people of Maharashtra are not following some of the COVID rules and regulations, because of which the numbers have been increasing, and the government is taking adequate steps to see to it that the spread of the virus is stopped or contained to a very large extent.
दृष्टिकोनातून आमची मागणी अशी आहे की महाराष्ट्रामध्ये साधारण 1200 मेट्रिक टन दररोज ऑक्सिजन तयार होतं. त्यापैकी
stressing on the fact that there is no shortage of oxygen in the hospitals of Maharashtra. The private and the government-run hospitals are adequate in all the medical supplies, but the number of vaccine doses are on the brink of getting over, and it might not last long unless fresh supplies are available to the state government.
आजूबाजूच्या जवळच्या राज्यातून ऑक्सिजनचा पुरवठा केला पाहिजे अशी आग्रहाची भूमिका.
So saying that in case there are some shortages of oxygen in some of the hospitals, adequate supplies, adequate arrangements should be made from the neighboring states so that we can get it at the earliest.
आपल्याला मिळतात, परंतु 50च्या 50,000 दररोज कंझ्युम होत आहे. यामध्ये दोन गोष्टींची आवश्यकता आहे.
The fact that the Maharashtra government is receiving 50,000 doses of remdesivir vaccine, but the number is not adequate, and the 50,000 doses are consumed the same day. So there is a need for more doses of vaccines for the citizens of Maharashtra, seeing the number of increase in the cases and to prevent the spread.
आणि मी स्वतः सातत्याने व्हिडिओज करून पाठवलेत. आजही माझ्या या पीसीच्या माध्यमातून मी सांगू इच्छितो की सर्व प्रायव्हेट डॉक्टर्सनी रेमडेसिवीरचा यूज हा ट्रीटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल जो 23 मार्चला आपल्या टास्क.
Health Minister's talk is also stressing on the fact that the doctors in the private hospitals should see to it that remdesivir doses are administered to the patients, as it is a very adequate and a very helpful dose that is required. And overall, he is stressing on the fact that the people of Maharashtra need to follow the protocols to prevent the spread.
की अशा पद्धतीनं इररॅशनल वापर रेमडेसिवीरचा करू नका. रॅशनली वापर करा. जे सांगितलंय त्या पद्धतीनं करा. विनाकारण तुमचे बिल वाढावे म्हणून तुम्ही अशा पद्धतीचं लोकांना रेमडेसिवीर देण्याचं.
Of 9 states of India will be having a online meet with the Union Health Minister Harshvardhan Patil today evening, wherein the Maharashtra Health Minister Rajesh Tope will be raising all these issues, and he will also request the IMA to allow the use of remdesivir vaccines to prevent the spread of COVID-19.
अंतर्भूत नसल्यामुळे पेशंटला हे पैसे भरावे लागतात. आमची काळजी आहे की पेशंटला पैसे लागू नये. रेमडेसिवीरच्या बाबतीत काही ठिकाणी
Saying
आता
that the vaccines are available free at the government hospitals and also at the nearest centers, because of which the people are thronging to the centers, vaccine centers, to get themselves vaccinated, which has resulted in the shortage of vaccines in many of the places, because of which many patients are being sent back and many patients are not being administered the vaccines due to the non-availability. So he's stressing on the point that they will be raising this issue with the central government regarding the supply of more and more vaccines so that the maximum number of people in Maharashtra can be vaccinated. Seeing the number of growth in the cases in the state in the last couple of weeks. In the last 2 days, we have seen the number of cases and the number of deaths have also increased drastically in Maharashtra.
आणि ज्या पद्धतीनं इपिडेमिक डिझीज ऍक्ट आणि डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट ऍक्ट यांच्या ज्या तरतुदी आहेत त्या तरतुदीच्या अनुषंगाने हे जर कॅपिंग आज आपण डिक्लेअर केलं, नोटिफिकेशन केलं, तर त्याचं उल्लंघन
Saying that
करणाऱ्यांवर
the state government of Maharashtra has issued a cap on the treatment and also on the vaccines, and he's requesting the state government, the private run hospitals to adhere to the capping issued by the government. Else strict action will be taken against the people who are seen flouting these norms and flouting these cap prices. So he is requesting the doctors and requesting the private hospitals to conduct the business rationally rather than try to increase the prices, which may put the common man into a lot of trouble.